Hey everybody, in this quick tutorial I'm showing you how to export your Canvas draft in ChatGPT to either Word or PDF or any format fast and easy. So let's start right now. So let's say you've just finished editing your Canvas draft right here and it is exactly how you want it. Now you're wondering, how do I export this? So here's the first method I'll be showing you, which is through prompt. Now look over to the left side here. That's your usual ChatGPT chat panel. So even with the Canvas open, you can still type prompts into the chat right here. So I've already assembled my prompt, simple as that. So here it is. Let's say convert this Canvas draft into a Word document. Okay, now just hit enter or just click send right here. There we go. And within a few seconds, it's currently analyzing. ChatGPT will then generate us the downloadable document file for you. Here it is. There is the link. Just click the link right here to download, and there we go. Here it is. And also, for an even simpler method, directly from the canvas itself. So notice right here, this icon top right there in the right corner over here. As you notice, the arrow pointing down to the line, that is your download button. See right here, download PDF. Right here, just click it, and just like that, there we go. Your draft downloads as a PDF instantly. No extra steps, no delay, just click and done. And yeah, there we go. 2 easy ways to export your ChatGPT Canvas draft, whether you want it as a Word file or a ready-to-go PDF. Now, if you find this video helpful overall, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And also smash the like button so it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Until next time, everybody, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.